Today we are going to learn Unit 8, Where You're Going. You're going to learn how to say, I go to the place, blah, blah, blah. And also you invite or suggest people to go there with you or to do something with you as well. Okay, so new words. Okay, please repeat after me. To go, 行きます。行きます。Beach, sea, 海。海。river, 川。川。mountain, 山。山。park or playground, 公園。公園。town, city, 町。町。haunted house, お化け屋敷。お化け屋敷。fishing, 釣り。釣り。school open day or school gala, 文化祭。文化祭。surfing, サーフィン。camping, キャンプ。キャンプ。choir, コーラス。コーラス。chicken skewer or chicken kebabs, 焼き鳥。焼き鳥。popcorn, ポップコーン。ポップコーン。who, 誰。誰。So, and next one is making sentence. To go to the place. Word order is place に行きます。or place へ行きます。place に or へ means to the place. Okay? So, sentence is like 私は山に行きます。or you can say 私は山へ行きます。It's written with ひらがなへ but you pronounce it え。So this sentence means I go to the mountain. 僕は川に行きます。or 川へ行きます。What does it mean? I go to the river. Okay. ゆかりさんは町に行きます。or 町へ行きます。This one is Yukari goes to the town. Yukari-san is a topic of the sentence. Person. Person はゆかりさんは町に行きます。Okay? The question sentence. Where do you go or where are you going? どこに行きますか? Answer you could say 海に行きます。or 海へ行きます。Now, 私は海に行きます。私は part, you don't have to say it if it's obviously you're talking about yourself. Okay? So you can have it, but you don't have to have it. And I go to the beach, this means. Okay? 誰と行きますか? Who are you going with? 誰と行きますか? ケン君と行きます。I go with Ken. Okay? Right. place に person と行きます。Okay? Or person と place に行きます。Put more information in the sentence with who. Okay? 釣りに友達と行きます。or 友達と釣りに行きます。Both same meaning. I go to fishing with my friend. How about this one? 公園に犬と行きます。犬と公園に行きます。I go to the park with my dog. Right, let's practice. Copy the sentences and translate into English. Number one, 僕は公園に行きます。Number two, 私は学校に行きます。3. 美穂さんは犬と海に行きます。Okay? Please pause it here and write it down. Okay, the answers are number 1, I go to the park. Number 2, I go to the school. Number 3, Miho goes to the beach with her dog. Did you get it? Alright, another one. These sentences in Japanese, please write in Japanese. Okay? Number 1, I go to the school open day, sorry. Number 2, I go to the haunted house with my friend. Number 3, Takeshi goes to Japan with Hitomi. Okay, please pause it here and write the sentences in Japanese. Okay, the answers are number 1, 私は文化祭に行きます。Number 2, 僕はお化け屋敷に友達と行きます。Number 3. たけしくんはひとみさんと日本に行きます。Now these one, number 2 and 3, you can put the different word order. For example, number 2, you can say 僕は友達とお化け屋敷に行きます。It's fine. Number 3, たけしくんは日本にひとみさんと行きます。It's fine too. Okay? Alright. Now, other half will be the another PowerPoint presentations. Okay?